Hello, everybody. Alexander and I are here to check out this recording and to see how it goes. Alexander says he's so excited to get back to school next week.
No, I'm not.
He says no, he's not. All right, so to make a form for yourself, you're going to come here to your Google Drive with the school district, and then you're going to hit new. Move what up?
This thing.
Oh, it's fine. No big deal. This is a practice. And then you go down to more, and you go to Google Forms, and you keep going over, and you go from a template. And now, from a template, you come to Template Gallery, and all these things that different Kenai Peninsula Borough people have made are here. So the delay. So you just click on remote work log, and you should be able to adapt it for yourself. So, all right. And so now you have your own, and you can do it and save it. Etc. You can go down, put your name on it, and then go down to the bottom where it has all these different options, and you can just make it what your own is. So like Alexander Hamilton here, he's going to do a little reading every day, a little math every day, and a little something else every day. So he would write it down here and what time he did it. All right, thanks for checking in, and go team!